Thanks for watching, and time for a fun integral. So let's evaluate the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of x sine of x times tangent of x over 2. And the first thing to do is to transform the sine of x using the double angle formula, which is sine of 2 theta is 2 sine of theta times cosine of theta. And we can do this for theta equals x over 2. And then what we end up getting is the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of x square root of 2 sine of x over 2 times cosine of x over 2. And then the tangent becomes sine over cosine. So that's just the definition of tangent over cosine of x over 2 dx. And the cool thing to notice is, first of all, that the cosines disappear. And moreover, sine times sine is sine squared, and which is positive because the x is between 0 and pi over 2. So if you take the square root of that, you just end up getting sine of x over 2. So in the end, this becomes integral from 0 to 2 pi over 2 of x square root of 2 of sine of x over 2 dx. And this piece we can simply integrate by parts. So let u be x over square root of 2, and then dv be sine of x over 2. Then du just becomes square root of 2. And then v, so minus cosine because of the antiderivative, and x per 2 because of the chain rule. So minus 2 cosine of x over 2. So in the end, when you evaluate this, you then get the following. This is, so the antiderivative, so x squared of 2, and then minus 2 cosine of x over 2 from 0 to pi over 2, and then minus integral from 0 to pi over 2 of square root of 2, and then minus 2 cosine of x over 2 dx. All right, and now we just need to evaluate this. So this becomes so pi over 2, and then square root of 2, and then minus 2 cosine of pi over 4, that is pi over square root of 2 over 2. That's one thing, and then get minus 0, and then plus 2 square root of 2, and then antiderivative here is 2 sine of x over 2 from 0 to pi over 2. And then you're all invited to the simplification party. So the 2 here cancels out. And moreover, square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is 2. And it cancels out with this 2. So we end up getting a minus pi. And then here we have plus 4 square root of 2, and then sine of pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2. And essentially, this is 2 over 2, so we get 4. And then in the end, what we end up getting is 4 minus pi. And that's all she wrote. All right, if you like this and want to see more math, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.